Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto Chiller channel. Here we are talking about the complex things in simple terms. Join our Telegram channel for our latest news, important information and promotional offers. Stay tuned, guys! Today I would like to talk about blockchain games again. I think we all know that basically these are some kind of clickers in the spirit of primitive mobile games of a decade ago. In these games, the whole gameplay is a kinda clicking on a couple of buttons and maybe earning some money. This same situation is usually with the game economy. We have some simulation, but not a financial system that lives according to its own laws. Whatever the majority of developers would not say, however, no one in fact managed to create an independent financial organism in the crypto gaming industry. But lately, I've begun to notice that same developers of blockchain games are starting to look just at the side of creating their own closed economic model. When a full-fledged market appears inside the game, which lives according to its own laws and where you can earn. Why am I saying all this? The game that I want to talk about today just claims to be such a full-fledged in-game market. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Mini Royale Nations. Well, get to the point now. Mini Royale Nations is low-poly battle royale game with a lot of game modes and a bunch of goodies, a small part of which is already available in this game. Yes, the game is quite working, and there you can already rise up the leaderboards and improve your skills in anticipation of your Lambo. In fact, we have before us something like a browser-based Counter-Strike game with a touch of Call of Duty and George's graphics. Many users may be indignant, saying how it's possible to make such a graphic design in 2021. Well guys, try to make a browser-based shooter on the blockchain, which will be protected from hacking and at the same time with quite good gameplay. After all, Mini Royale has the main features of the team shooter. There are various game modes, a deep emphasis on clans, alliances and social mechanics. A set of cool and not so cool NFT skins are also available. There are regular events, battle passes and more. At the moment, we have access to the standard modes for such games as Team Deathmatch, Capture the Flag, Battle Royale. The developers have even more game modes in the plans, including even very exotic ones, where the users essentially need to put their NFT skins on the line with the ability to lose everything or get a scoop of in-game assets such as weapons, talismans and other NFTs. There will also be a PvE game mode with different bosses, unique rewards and money making. Mini Royale economy should be the main feature of the game. The key word is should be, as it's only on a paper so far. But I really like the idea. In a nutshell, the economy will be based on the relationship between the players and not on the relationship between the player and the project. There are two categories of game users in the game: shooters and landowners. Everything is clear with the first one. Thereon, shoot, complete various missions, challenges, earn all sorts of rewards. These can be both the leaderboards in the case of PvE and other activities that will be needed to get into tournaments and clan wars. Landowners, on the other hand, can build different buildings which also affect the game. An element of land ownership and control means users can purchase land or seize control of land from other players. Completing missions is the primary way to earn orbs. Orbs are the most common currency in the game and are won from completing mission objectives. Orbs only become useful when they are refined. In order to refine orbs and turn them into enriched orbs, a player must take the orbs to a piece of land equipped with a refinery. There is also an opportunity to build mines, refineries and more to monetize your land holdings. Finally, the GameFi project pledges endless creation opportunities. Users can form alliances, build cities, and create new game modes and assets. Why are these exclusive events and clan wars so valuable? Everything is simple here. There you can earn money. To do this, of course, you must first rise up the leaderboards and join the clan. Well, or create your own clan. The interaction between landowners and shooters is based on the fact that the former will receive rewards from their activities, which are needed for the development and earnings of the latter, and vice versa. These should form a kind of market relations. There are many more unique building upgrades planned for the game and a bunch of other things. If I tell you all the plans for the project, then the video will last an hour. I hope you understand the essence of the economy of the game. As you already understood, the economy of the game will be a bit more complicated than many others. So it's not so simple with tokens either. Several game currencies are planned in the game. First, the orbs that I spoke about earlier. Secondly, Cheddar is a game currency token that's given out as a reward for different social activities in the game. Each Cheddar earned is the result of social activity and skill. Players can trade Cheddar on the open market at whatever price the buy side deems appropriate. At the same time, 94% of this token is planned for rewards and emissions. Cheddar is an inflationary currency with infinite supply. Generally, the game DAO will try to adjust the monetary mass of Cheddar to proportionally scale with the size of the in-game economy and user base. And the last token is Royale. Personally, this token interests me the most. Royale is a lower velocity, finite supply token that is used for a subset of premium in-game purchases, as well as for governance within the Mini Royale Nations game DAO. This token will get mainly to early supporters, bakers, and other users who supported the project. Of course, this token can be staked as an NFT, by the way. A small amount of the token will go to the public sale, but the conditions for getting into the ranks of the lucky ones are not yet clear. In fact, there will be a lot of stuff inside the game that you can sell, buy and earn. Different NFT skins, weapons, engram fragments, shields, and a bunch of everything that we will learn about in practice gradually. In general, tokenomics looks quite viable, although I didn't find information on prices unlocks for early investors. It is reassuring that the project doesn't look like a one-day project, therefore I'm quite calmly ready to invest here. Let's take a look who are the founding partners of this low-poly battle royale game. You will be surprised, guys, but these are the top investors: FTX, Henderson Horowitz, Sequoia, Pantera, Solana and other serious guys. To be honest, this fact was the first thing that caught my attention. We all understand that these are not flippers, so the lack of information on the conditions for funds doesn't scare me much. In addition, the project has a fairly strong community support. It seems that gamers are tired of the same type of farming gameplay and Axie Infinity clones and want to try something new. Pleasant bonuses. In fact, this could have been said in the description of the game, but I still decided to highlight this information separately. And we are talking about the fact that there will be a chance to customize your own maps, skins and campaigns. Even support for custom modes is also expected. And that means more content. But content has always been a big problem in crypto gaming. Here, the developers give the players all that they need. It is the players who usually create the most fun modes, maps, competitions and more. So having tools for creating user-generated content is a big advantage of the project. As for me, I think that this game is very promising. The support of the market mastodons and ambitious plans also speak to favor of Mini Royale. Previously, there were 2 NFT skin drops with a mint price of 0.69 SOL. Now the floor price is on the market is about 3 SOL and never goes lower. Moreover, This is the cost of the cheapest NFT skins on the market. Rare NFT skins are much more expensive. So I will continue to follow the game and cover major updates. Join our Telegram channel for more updates, subscribe and smash the bell icon. Cheers guys!